welcome to Time Thursday. Today I want to talk about saving mementos and keepsakes and sentimental items from the past. And I want to kind of give you some questions to ask yourself when you're deciding what to keep or what not to keep. So something happened to me recently in my life. I spent some time with a gentleman that I knew from junior high. It had been like 43 years since we'd seen each other. We looked at old pictures and all kinds of stuff, and it kind of took me on a trip down memory lane. And I got into my little bin of mementos. So this is my bin of mementos, and it does go all the way back to junior high. It used to be much bigger, but I've narrowed it down a little bit. And some of the stuff that's in here is like kind of freaked me out when I was looking at it. I've got my first Holy Communion prayer book and my high school diploma. And this is a blouse from 8th grade that I guess I wore, and everybody kind of signed it on the last day of school. I live in a small place, so I really can't keep that much stuff. I just narrowed it down to one Rubbermaid bin. A good rule of thumb to follow about sentimental items is that if they keep you anchored in the past to a sad memory, it's probably time to let it go. So the first question you want to ask yourself is, does this make me happy or does this make me sad? And if it's something that makes you sad, you should probably get rid of it, because we only want to keep happy memories and things that make us smile. There's no reason to beat yourself up with the past and things you did wrong. The second question to ask yourself would be, do you have room to keep it? Because if you have a memory that brings a smile to your face and makes you happy, it's not clutter. It's a good memory, something that brings joy to your life, and you should keep it because whenever you see it and look upon it, it brings a smile to your face, and that's always a good thing, to have a smile on your face. Now, if you don't have room for a sentimental item that you love and brings up happy memories, a good thing to do is just to snap a picture of it with your phone, and you can store it on the cloud, store it on your computer, and it's not taking any space at all. Those are my questions for saving sentimental items, and really only keep the stuff that makes you happy, that brings up good memories, because clutter around you from things that are sad and upsetting only keeps you anchored in the past, only keeps you sad. So let it go, start a new life, and enjoy. Happy Tip Time Thursday. If you like the episode, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also check out my website, because I give decluttering tips and general cleaning tips on my blog. So have a good day. Happy Tip Time Thursday. Yeah, so we're like walking around, and he like yells at me like, "Hi, like how's it going?" And I'm like, "Oh my God, he's talking to me. I'm totally freaking out." And I'm like, "Cool, it's going awesome. It's going really cool." And in my head, I'm like going, "Oh my God, I'm totally freaking out." But it's so radical, and we were walking along, and it was just awesome. And I was talking to him, and he was looking at me, and I'm just like going, "This is gnarly."